Just came to let Sadie Lou out and saw this beautiful sky and wanted to capture it. And of course now the moon's behind the clouds. Sadie found a bone. Look how wicked this is. Beautiful. Let's get a little close up. Look at that. In and out. Looks like it just went in like the dragon's mouth. Whoa, that's kind of neat. Inspiration. Getting inspiration here, folks. Slept for 4 damn days. I should be writing. Wow. So there's the regular view. Can't see much of anything. I'm just sitting right here outside my door. Isn't that brilliant? Oh, indeed. You can make so much out of that. So many stories right there. You see many faces, don't y'all? Oh, that's tight. Look at those colors. Those colors are beautiful. My phone doesn't do justice. Never does, though. Anyways, just wanted to capture a little of that.